Welcome to Innovative Foods. Today I am making breakfast milk bread. Soft, fluffy and perfect to start your day. Easy to prepare and great with tea, butter or jam. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl add 100 ml warm milk, 2 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon yeast. Mix well and keep aside for 5 minutes. Yeast helps the dough rise and become airy. Now add 1 cup flour, 1 tablespoon oil and half teaspoon salt. Mix well. Milk bread is known for its soft and fluffy texture. Add 1 tablespoon curd and make a soft dough. Homemade bread tastes fresher than store-bought. It's a popular breakfast option worldwide. Knead the dough for 5 minutes until smooth. Knead well for a soft texture. Rub some oil and keep aside for 40 minutes to rise. Allow proper resting time for best rise. Now take the dough and roll it out. Create a simple pattern as shown. Brush some milk on top. Heat a pan and brush a little oil on pan. Place the bread and cook on low heat for 5 minutes. Add a little oil, cover and cook for 2 more minutes. Cook on low heat to avoid burning. Flip if needed and cook lightly. Milk provides calcium and nutrients. Homemade bread is free from preservatives. Serve warm. You can control sugar and oil. A simple filling breakfast option. Your soft milk bread is ready. Serve warm with butter or jam. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovative Foods for more easy recipes.